So today we're going to try out a whole bunch of CoverGirl stuff. It is nighttime right now. I'm on spring break right now. Today's Friday? Friday. I don't even know what day it is. Every single day this week I have had something to do, and this is the first day that I didn't have anything to do, so I was super lazy all day. I mean, I did some stuff. I made caramel sauce. Now I'm drinking it in my coffee. I ordered my, I want to say bridesmaid's dress, but it's like maid of honor. I don't know. Do you call yourself a bridesmaid when you're maid of honor? I don't know what to call that. Ordered that for my best friend's wedding. What else have I done today? I watched a whole lot of the Santa Clarita? Santa Clarita, why can't I ever speak? The Santa Clarita diet. I didn't do much else. No, but it is now, what time are you? It is 7 p.m., 7:03. So we are going to play with some CoverGirl stuff. I feel like I have wanted to do this video for so long, and like something just kept coming up and I didn't do it. I have so many goodies. They sent me this giant box a while ago of all this stuff. The only downside of it being like a giant box, nothing was in packaging. So I'm gonna do my best to, I'll show you the product and I'll try and figure out what it is to link it below or something. And we're just gonna go for it. I'm super excited. Ever since they went cruelty free, I have been so excited to make this video for you. It makes me so happy. So we are gonna play with some stuff. I'm gonna be real, I haven't used CoverGirl in a long time. Maybe a product here or there, but for so long they weren't cruelty free, so I just kind of stuck with the ones that, the affordable brands that I love. But the fact that I now have this option, well, why don't we just start? Let's just start and I'll talk to you while I'm doing makeup. So we're gonna jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's do this. It is the True Blend Face Business. Ooh, skin smoothing primer. They have so many primers. By the way, we should probably mention my hair's different. I was in Walmart the other day and I was walking through looking at like Milani, Wet n Wild. Oh, it smells really nice. Anyway, and it was just so great to like walk by the CoverGirl section, which is huge, by the way, huge. But there are so many options. They have so many options for everyone. It's such a huge brand that it's just, I can't give them enough kudos. That feels really nice on my skin. I do see some smoothing. I don't know if you guys can tell. But let's move on to the foundation. I just grabbed one. They sent the entire shade range. The shade range is huge. I grabbed the lightest one, which is L10. Fair porcelain, usually porcelain or fair porcelain works for me. So, I mean, it seemed like the closest. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So we're gonna try this. Ooh, that's really yellow, but who knows? That's super yellow. I probably should have grabbed one with a neutral or a pinky undertone. But I used to wear yellow toned foundations all the time. And my neck is yellow, so who knows? Okay, I'm gonna blend this out. And I'm just using my Shop Miss A Dollar Sponge. It looks really nice on my skin. Once I have my concealer on, I'll give you a close-up so you guys can see. On these, I don't see the name on any of them, so I just grabbed the one that looked the lightest. So this is the, I want to say CoverGirl, but all of them are CoverGirl. The Vitalist Healthy Concealer. So we're gonna give this a go. Again, I don't know what shade it's in, but I'm gonna guess the lightest. One of these ones. But it looks really nice on the under eye. So again, this one is the Vitalist Healthy Concealer. I think, don't they have a foundation that matches this? I probably need to try that. But yeah, look. You can see, it just, my skin looks really nice. This is the Vitalist Healthy Powder. This one is in Classic Ivory. We're gonna give it a go for my perimeter of my face. I don't normally set a lot of my face. Usually just my trouble areas, but I want to try everything. I'm just using a ColourPop F14 powder brush. I'm just going to set my cheeks, my nose area. Then I'm going to sneak into my Physicians Formula because I'm a cheater, but at least this is also drugstore. I go through these like no other. It's my favorite. And I'm just going to use my sponge to set my under eyes. This is going to lighten it under there too. You can see the difference it made, which gives the illusion of more coverage. And I just can't get over the finish of this on the under eye. So I have a really hard time using anything else. I'm gonna balance my chin out. I'm looking real yellow. I'm looking real yellow. I don't know what shade this is, but I'm guessing it's the taupey one because that's what it looks like, but it's a little brow. It comes with a little brush even. So we're gonna give this a go. hopefully you can see this. Sorry that my bangs, if I clip them, they're gonna be crazy. Ooh, I like this, guys. It's a little dark, but my brows are a little dark because my hair is super light. And this is obviously not my natural color. Oh, I like this a lot. I really, really do. This looks so orange. So orange. This is like the light one. There were two. This is the only thing that I think out of this that I purchased myself that they didn't send to me. Because I don't think there's any other contours. We're gonna try it, but there's a good chance that I'm going to want to mix something more cool toned with it. But we're gonna give it a go. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette. So I really like the highlight. I've tried the highlight before. I think it's like the only thing I've really tried. This blush looks super pinky, but I'm gonna give it a go, of course. And then we'll see how this guy goes. Maybe I'll be able to make it look like blend it with my blush and we'll be fine. Yeah, that's really orange. Ooh, okay. Let's even it out. So we're gonna buff it out so it's kind of more like our blush. Maybe that'll tone down the pinkness of that blush because that blush is real pink. I'm just gonna dip into this Revolution contour palette really quick just to contour a little bit. Not too much. I'll definitely try and find a different CoverGirl contour to use for you guys next time. But this will just make it a little more sculpted. Okay, we're gonna dip into that blush. This is my ColourPop F9. Oh, she a cute blush. I don't normally go for this color. It's kind of cool toned, pinky, pinky, pink. I always go for like a peachy. Usually, when it comes to blushes, I usually go really warm. So this is a nice little change. Oh, I like it. Oh, oh. I'm going to, where is a spray? Don't know where the other eyeshadow palettes I got were, but we definitely have enough to work with these. So these ones we're going to use, I'm thinking maybe blue, something fun. Into this little guy right here first. This little brown. And I'm just going to buff that into the crease. She's got some pigment on her. I'm gonna take that same shade on my under eye. I think I want to deepen it up a little bit, so I'm gonna go into just the dark brown that's next to it. This guy. Put that right out here. This one is not giving me as much pigment right off the bat. Maybe I need to like get in there. And again, I'm going to take a little bit of that on the lower lash line, just right out here. I think I really want to try this blue over here. So we're going to do that. I think I'm going to try it with the little sponge tip. I'm going to put it right here. Ooh! I guess I'm going to put it all over the lid for now, and then I think I'm going to layer the inner corner a little bit with something brighter. I think I'm gonna mix this lighter blue, this kind of teal shade right here on the inner corner. I didn't really do much, not gonna lie, didn't really do much. It's pretty though. I'm gonna go back to this palette and just use a tiny bit of the black. I always have trouble with blue on my eye. I feel like it never looks right. But we're just gonna keep going. Just gonna buff this out a little bit more. We're gonna go on to eyeliner. I haven't used a liquid liner like this. It feels like in forever. So it's got a really tiny tip. I don't know how to control my wing. I fixed that. We're just gonna have a crazy intense wing today because I don't know how to use this liner clearly. I think we're gonna go into this little like silvery taupey shade, this guy right here, and put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna use a little bit of the light shimmery blue one too. Ooh, we have this little thing of mascara. I just put a mascara primer on my lower lashes. That's why they look crazy. Exhibitionist mascara. We're gonna use the regular one, not the waterproof one. I have not tried this guy yet. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's got a really nice brush. So again, this one comes in regular and waterproof. So we're gonna try this guy. It's gonna be hard to see with this like intense of a makeup look, but we'll see. Ooh, it really grabs your lashes. I like it. I'm gonna go try and even out my wings and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. Hey loves, we are back to complete this look. We are wearing the Elidia. You guys know how to say that. Please like break it down for me because I feel dumb. And these lashes are beautiful. They are huge. I feel like they almost hit my eyebrows. They're hitting my bangs. So yeah, we're just gonna move on to lips. I might need to add more highlight. This is not enough glow for me. I feel like it's, oh, I also feel like I've oxidized. Oh yeah, you can see it. So we'll try another shade of that foundation because I feel like it's just a little too yellow, and since it did oxidize on me a little bit, I'm gonna take this powder now, which was making it too light, and blend it over my neck. That's this powder. If you wear fair, like this will save you in so many situations. If I have fallout and I use my damp sponge and white powder under my eye, like it fixes everything. If my foundation is oxidizing, it fixes everything. Given you could use a white powder, but this one's just so smooth. You guys see the background moving? Yeah, it's really crazy. So let's do lips. Two I really want to use are these two. Girl, I don't know how this is gonna work. I might have to lighten this one. Oop, lighten this one a little bit because it looks super dark. Okay, so this one right here is Covergirl Queen Major Shade Collection. What shade are Rebels? This is in Rebel, and then this Katy Perry and Covergirl Gloss. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you see this? It's like the perfect nude with like gold glitter in it. Plus, look how cute it is. So cute. I love the cat stuff. This one is in Cantaloupe. How cute is that? Cantaloupe, like cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Wow. Okay. Before it dries though, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of any concealer. I know this is weird. People think this is weird, but when you're fair, you gotta get creative. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the lip gloss and see how this, what this does. These don't get a lot of product out. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. Please let me know your favorite CoverGirl products down below so I can try more new ones. I think I need to try a different shade in the foundation because the longer it was on, it did oxidize. I did just put a lighter powder all over my face to try and help that, and I was able to blend it, so it's not terrible. It's not terrible. It just oxidized a little bit. Plus, it was really yellow for my skin when I put it on, so that could be part of it. But the finish looks really nice. Look at that. It looks like up close. I didn't love the liner, but that's fine. I loved the brow product. This little pot, even little brush worked really well. It's hard to see my brows. I didn't even clean them up because I felt like they looked good enough. Normally I will put concealer and carve them out. The powder was nice. It's just a little dark for my skin. I'm just super fair, you guys. I like the lip products now that they're on. I really like that gloss. This gloss is beautiful. I wish it had a little more product on the wand when I pulled it out, but it's so beautiful. I don't even mind. And this color, though it's a little darker for like, it was a little dark for this look because I usually like a lighter lip with a brighter, like a more intense eye. You guys know that I'm obsessed with nudes. I loved the primer. It really made my skin feel smooth. Eyeshadows weren't bad at all. They were definitely hit or miss in the palettes. Let me know what CoverGirl palettes you guys really like because I'd love to try more. Some of the shades are really beautiful. That blue is really pretty. It's just not super intense. But again, like anytime I put a blue on my lid, it just like oxidizes and doesn't show up right. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what brand you want to see next. And again, please remember to leave your favorite CoverGirl products down below. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Jeez Louise, it scared the pooper out of me. Wow. Okay. Sculpting. What? All right. Focus. Lips, lips, lips. We're just gonna leave it. I'm not going anywhere. It's fine. Everything's falling on the floor. Cantaloupe. Wow. What a cute name. It made my face. What do you think? Do you approve? You approve of Covergirl? Say yes. Yes.